A fake and unlicensed transgender woman doctor, who was previously a man, was just arrested for injecting a woman's butt with super glue, concrete, mineral oil, and fix-a-flat for your tires, all just to make the butt bigger. The fake tranny doc had a bunch of different fake practices in Florida where she performed these hazardous injections on more people and got away with all of them until now. The woman she recently injected became very sick, not knowing that she was pumped with all of this poison. She had to get numerous treatments, and she actually survived. What do you guys think about this? I have a link to the story below, and leave me a comment and let me know your thoughts. Okay, love you. Bye.